Good evening once more. So this is a video on Bitly, and you might think, what is this? So if we're in ClickBank and you're using that and you want to promote something, just say you went in here, promote that, you get your link and it looks like that. So you couldn't really use that online. It doesn't really look too good. Um, and so we go over to Bitly. So here we are, and then here, if you don't know what Bitly is, you can use it as tracking, so it is really good. So we're on the home page, so just sign up bitly.com, and inside you create new, and then go to link, and just say it was, in fact, that's your link there, and you call it something, it just say it was, yeah, there it is, it's purify. Um, on Facebook or something. And then all we do is create, and that's created it. So if we um, copy that link and then just over here, just click it, it takes us this page or some to orders. If I was promoting that, then that's it. So I've clicked on it. It says it's at engagement 0. So if we just enter, and there it is, it's 1. So it's really good. Not only does it cloak that sort of not very good link, it tracks it so you can see how many clicks that you have. It's probably really important if you're promoting. Here is my autoresponder. So if we go to funnels, um, just is there? It's when I'm promoting Quora, you copy that and then it tracks it the same, but the difference is you put in their email address and then you collect their email. You can send out emails, so you've got their contact contact information, and then you can follow up. So it's not just about seeing the clicks. That's really important as well. It's really basic. This. So if we go to home, and for free you can have 50 links that you can put in. If we go to, so here it is, lead sleep review on YouTube and different trial ones I've got, just different, um, stick to the traffic that works, but if you want to upgrade, you can. It's only really for $8 a month. You can have 100 links and a link in the bio, but and then more advanced stuff. So I've just got it free. I use this here, but sometimes I use Bitly. Um, so that's really, yeah, it's really good. You can upgrade if you want, and then the analytics. Yes, it's quite advanced stuff in with that, but it really is just create link, and that's really how you use Bitly. They make it simple, so the way it should always be, and that's it. So, what kind of businesses could you promote or use Bitly with? So, I've got my number one recommendation on the inside, and I hope to see you there. Bye bye for now.